If you want to enhance your security on DoorDash by removing old devices, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is safe and up to date. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the profile icon of the menu button, usually located in the top left or bottom right corner of the app. From the menu, select Account or Settings to enter your account management options. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. Within the account settings, look for Security or Security Settings. This section contains options related to your account security, including device management. Step 4. View authorized devices. In the Security Settings, find the option that allows you to view authorized devices or active sessions. This will display a list of devices currently connected to your DoorDash account. Step 5. Remove old devices. Identify the devices you wish to remove. Select the option to remove or log out of those devices. Confirm your choice if prompted to ensure the devices are no longer linked to your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove all devices from your DoorDash security settings, keeping your account secure.